Beautiful people, welcome. So if you want to know how I made this lovely ice cream, don't go anywhere, just keep watching and I'll tell you all. So let's start. I'm going to be using some whipping cream. You can get this from your favorite grocery store, and this is about 2 cups. I used like 2 cups previously, and that's the last bit. So we are going to start whipping this. This will take roughly about 3 to 5 minutes. We are going to whip it into medium peaks. You can see the way it's churning. You can see the way it's turning gradually. We just have to keep on doing this. If you don't have a mix, you can use your hands, but trust me, if you use your hands like a manual whisk, your hands might develop some muscles afterwards. So I'll just advise you use this electric one. Just turn it on and you keep going on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Sorry about the sound at the background. That's my son enjoying this ice cream with me. So we're just going to keep on whisking and whipping this till it forms to medium peaks, just like I said before we go on to the next stage. And I think I am satisfied. Yeah, this is what I really wanted to achieve. I'm going to be using our Ribena. Like I said, this is Ribena ice cream. I'm using this black currant Ribena, the regular Ribena juice, and you can get this from the store. I'm using about 1/4 cup and some condensed milk as well. I use 200 grams of condensed milk. You can use less, you can use more, depending on your taste and what you really want to achieve. So I'm just going to whip this. I'm just going to fast forward this. We've done this before. It's kind of hard now and clumpy, but don't worry, it's going to turn out well, trust me. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to transfer it into my tin, because I'm going to be freezing this baby. And I'm just trying to smoothen out all the ice cream edges to make it nice and beautiful, so that when I scoop, it's going to look nice. I added a few drops more of my Ribena juice, and I'm just going to cover it all up in order to freeze for about 6 hours overnight. And that's it, guys. It is ready. Our Ribena ice cream is ready. Super simple, right? Very easy if you ask me. As easy as can be. Just keep on practicing, you'll get it. This is just something you can do from the comfort of your home, just in case you have some whipping cream at hand, some Ribena or whatever flavor you want to add, and that's it. Your condensed milk, your Ribena, and that's everything you need. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you subsequently. Bye.